Usually what happens if you as IT are coming along with a new technology, business colleagues are not necessarily there to immediately adopt it because obviously it's something new to be learned. So the way how we approach this is that we have offered use case driven usage and probing of the technology itself. So we have really talked to the business colleagues to understand what is the imminent issue you would like to have digitized in your environment.
The thing that has changed, I think, since I've been working with Mendix is that I've been more adaptable to change. Because with the platform Mendix, it's very easy to change large pieces of the software, of the whole application, especially in the early stages of development. And that makes software development much more agile, and you have a very short period of requirements engineering, but there's kind of an overlap. So you can get started with development much quicker, and you can also have your developers talk to the business stakeholders right away because you're all talking the same language, and they can even model the data together with the business stakeholders. So the gap between business and IT is definitely much smaller now.
My name is Linda Hirsch. I'm the product owner of the EOS system within Siemens Mobility. EOS stands for Experience with Standards Online Service, and it's database with technical standards and regulations and also working groups. We used Mendix because we needed a new solution for the application by the end of September 21. We heard in the company that there's this solution, and it was one of the first Mendix developed applications. In the old EOS web, we were only able to report bugs using an online ticketing system. Like the infrastructure was so old that there was no way to improve features or to add some new features. We developed a new application within 6 months. We started at the end of March 2021, and in September the same year we replaced the whole application.
When I started developing in Mendix, I was a solo developer. I was the first in the business unit, and I was also among the first to deploy an application on the cloud within Siemens. Since then, a lot has changed. The community has grown a lot. We have thousands of certified developers. We have hundreds of apps that are deployed on the cloud now. And I'm managing a team, and I'm not alone anymore.
I think the beauty of my job is that whenever I see a new product being launched or a new environment being created or a new process which has been digitized, which actually makes you faster, less costly, less complex, if you see that being delivered by a great team which has jointly worked between business and IT, these are the greatest moments of the CIO.